Life is like an anime. Each day could be a different genre. Each day could be a different episode where you can have a slice of life episode where you're enjoying a good time with your buddies at the park or just watching good old nature and looking at birds and stuff. Or you can have a drama episode where you are financially struggling and you don't know when you're going to be able to make ends meet. You got your car payment due and just have so many bad ordeals happening to you on that one episode, that one day. You can also have a good, wonderful sports day where you're enjoying your fun time with your friends and you're playing basketball and soccer and all those good things. But that sports episode could turn into a horror episode where you're scared and you don't know, you can't trust anybody, which turns into suspense. But it also could be a crime and investigation episode like Case Closed, and you're trying to figure out who done it. Unfortunately, someone lost their life and you're trying to find that closure of solving that crime. And it's just so many different genres, so many different episodes can happen. And then when that season is finished, well, that episode's finished, you have 12 episodes, move on to the next season. Unfortunately, some people episodes can end shortly. It can be 26 episodes and that's the end of their lifetime, or it could be a long, good old great seasons like One Piece. So that is how I see life. Like, life is like an anime and it just resembles so much like anime. So guys, just be careful out there. Lots of bad things can happen to people and you just gotta protect yourself a little better. That's all I just wanted to say. Life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you get inside. Well, life is like an anime. Different episodes, different genre, different things can happen to you. You have a good one.